So today guys, we are back with another video, another hair care tutorial for your natural hair. As you guys can see, I do have longer hair, but this style can go for long, short, or medium hair length. So as you can see, I just took my hair out of this ponytail that I showed you all in the last video, and I'm not gonna wash it. I'm just gonna go ahead and go straight in and get to styling. I will be using a spray bottle just to have some warm or hot water in it to go ahead and saturate my hair right after I part the front two halves of my hair in order to achieve a bun that's going to sit pretty high up on my head. You can use your comb, you can use your fingers, as long as that part is straight so you can make sure that the back half of your hair is even, you'll be just fine. You want to make sure that you are getting the front half of your hair out of the way because you don't want it to get tangled with the back, because you're going to thoroughly detangle the back of your hair and saturate it with products. For this particular video, I did use 4 products in order to achieve the look that you saw in the beginning. Lately, I have been dealing with dry scalp and just dandruff, so you just see me scratching that out. It's totally fine. I am going to just get some grease and take care of that before I proceed. Now that we have that out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and start on the back. You want to make sure that you are spraying it with lots of water because your hair needs the moisture, and it's going to help those products work and penetrate into the hair deeper. This part does take a little patience because you are trying to define your curls more. The water is going to help achieve the look that you are going for. So if your hair is very dry, it won't necessarily look as great. You may see some definition, but you won't see a lot. That's why I'm going section to section, just making sure that I'm finger detangling my hair. And as you can see, the curls are already starting to form on one side. The first product that I am going to go in with is that cream by Mielle that you all seen in my last video. It's like a cream pudding that they do sell, and it's a pomegranate scent and it smells super amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my detangler brush from Kiss Colors and Care to make sure that my hair is all detangled. So in the order that I did this, I did the cream, gel, then mousse, and then more cream. You want to repeat this until you have the desired curl pattern that you would like. As you can see, I'm not brushing during this process. I'm only using my fingers. You may see me brush a few times, but it's only to get it as straight, and then it's right back to finger detangling. Now on to the top half. I'm just taking the top half of my hair and putting it in a ball. I'm going to make sure that my hair is slicked all the way up to about the center of my head to achieve the perfect ball.
wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even all your friends that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it?
So in order to achieve a high bun, you are going to utilize a black small rubber band, put it about to the end of that hair, and then make this puff ball just like so. And you're going to use a scrunchie to secure. Now I'm just making sure I sleek my edges up so I can have a clean finish. Guys, I was excited about how this hairstyle came out because like I said, it wasn't a hard or long hairstyle to do. It took around 15 to 20 minutes to complete this hairstyle, and I'm actually still wearing this hairstyle on Tuesday. And I did my hair on Saturday, and I'm wearing this style to work because it's so easy to just keep up with the maintenance and not have to worry about combing your hair each day. And voila, here's the finishing touch. Guys, my curls are so defined. This style was super easy and I hope you all enjoyed it. As you can see, I have a lot of movement and my hair was not dry. I did go in and diffuse my hair to dry it because I was going outside. But just look at these curls on what's okay, period. Absolutely love it. Make sure that you try this style for your weekly natural hairstyle routine. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.
What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look